Hello everyone. This is going to be a little bit different of a video, and it can either be an Embird video or an Etsy video, but Etsy's doing the push now on getting some videos in on your listings. They're thinking it may help, and I've actually created a couple that I've put up on some of the my embroidery designs. And since it's really a digital download, I can't really show you me sewing it, or wood crafting or whatever. And I figured, well, there's got to be a way that I can go in and add some video to some of the listings. So um, I've tested this right here to see if it's going to work, and I'll talk about it in a minute. But right now I'm in Embird, and I have a design pulled up, and I'm in the sewing simulator, and I am in 3D mode. And over here you're going to see something called Ezvid. It is a free download, I believe. I don't think you have to buy it. I mean, it may have changed now, I don't know, but when I got this, it was a free version. Now, what I am using to actually make this video is Screen Grabber Pro. It is a software that I did purchase a while ago. Anyway, I'm going to show you the steps of how to do this with Ezvid, so that you can get some videos of your designs simulated being stitched out, and add them. And who's to say, it may bring more sales, it may not. Anyway, so this is the steps that you would do it with Ezvid. So what I'm going to do after you pull it up is I'm going to say a new project, and because I had one, it's going to say that the previous project has been saved. Say OK. So first I need to give it a title, and test 24 or 34. Description, just whatever you want. I'm going to change it from gaming to how to and style here. I don't know if that's really means anything. It may more on YouTube than it does on Etsy. And then this music, I am going to change it to a silent machine. So you press this little arrow down, and be careful because it's liable to do some music. I'm trying to anyway this time. And this would be like a little intro bar that would say Ezvid. So I don't want this here, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to hit my delete key, and it goes away. Now, to capture your screen, you're going to go into screen capture, and when you'll see this. If you start the screen capture now, it's going to use the defaults, and I don't want that. I'm going to use an advanced setting. And notice right here it says I've got this one selected, and this is from when I did the test to see if I would be able to grab this video with another one as I'm making this. So anyway, select capture area enabled, and when you say start advanced capture now, you're going to have some crosshairs. So the video has to be like 720 by 720, I believe, is the minimum. So what I'm going to do, maybe just get the sew simulator here, and make sure it's pretty big. I don't know if that is, and it's given a countdown. So right now Ezvid is recording, and I'm just going to hit play, and it's going to simulate stitching out this design. So your video has to be between 5 and 15 seconds. Hopefully this one is. This one may be a little bit long. So let me see if I've got this listing up. Oops. So what I'm going to do is, I've already got one here. We're going to delete that. And this has got this now. So I need to save my video. And it's rendering this video. It does take a while. It, kind of depends on your machine and everything that's going on right now. But this one's like already up to 20%. So if you make it, like a YouTube video and make a really long one, just note that it does take some time. So here is my final project here. And they call it final. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to drag it up here. And it's loading it up. Let's see, let's publish it, and then we're going to actually go look at the site, and we're going to type in GNOME. We're going to find the one that we just did, which is this one. And you'll notice right here now, the second one is a video. So if I click on that, it's already playing. So this is the one of me showing you how to do it. So I'm actually going to remove this video back off of here and put the one that I had up previously. But this is a way that you can get some videos on your like embroidery design listings, and that way some of your customers can see it stitch out. And I don't know, hopefully this will help you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.